Every time I dip, I think about getting a cold one. And I tell them, get those four-wheelers running, just ooh, come on like that. Got cold ones cracking. Dipsons. Things I do every day.
Howdy, ladies and gentlemen. Here we are at the Graff Ranch. We're about to blow the shit out of some pumpkins.
About 5 or 6 miles.
Called the pumpkin blower-uppers.
The Pumpkinators.
The Pumpkinator.
You gonna tell them what we got? Tell them what we got.
We got 10 pounds of Tannerite inside a pumpkin, another pumpkin on top of it, in water. It's gonna be good.
Put a good dip in.